Alright, so listen. Okay, here it is. I've been thinking. Oh no, you've been thinking. Just hear me out. I've been thinking. Oh gosh, where are we going with this? I know. Just hear me out. Okay, this is probably going to be a good idea. Just hear me. Okay? Alright. I'll listen. Just go on with it. Get on with it. I'm going to hear what you got. You just got a couple minutes. And then I'm walking out and I'm done. Okay, so you know I've been thinking about dust collector for the garage and everything with my setup and stuff. And just, let's hear it. I got the foam filter, and I don't want to dirty up, well, not the foam filter, but I got the paper filter, and I don't want to dirty up the paper filter. So, when I bought my shop vac, it come with these bags. But these bags are kind of expensive. So, what I was thinking was this. What I have here is a $2 pillowcase. What I'm thinking is this is a 100% polyester microfiber pillowcase. I'm thinking I can use this as a bag to catch all my dirt and dust, and I think it will save my filter cartridge, and then I can just empty this out and shake it out and start back over from new. So let's try it out and see. I've got my shop vac here, and I'm going to pour a little dust out on the ground that's already in the shop vac, and we're going to see how well this bag, pillowcase, filters the dirt, the dust. Okay, now you can see that's some pretty fine dust particles that's there, and that was in my filter. Okay, so there's the inside of my shop vac, and yeah, there's some dust in it. My bag busted. That was it I had in it. And here's my filter. It's got some dirt on it, but I got an idea on how to test this a little better. So there's my pile of wood shavings and fine dust and all that. So let's get this fixed up and we'll start the test. Okay, so there's the bag, or the pillowcase in the shop vac tank. And what I done here was I wrapped paper towel around this filter just to see how much dirt we get on this. Now I expect to get some dirt because of what's inside of my tank, but let's see what happens. So now we got the dirt pile vacked up. Let's take a look inside of the shop vac now, and then look inside and see what the bag did as far as catching the dust and the wood chips. Okay, first look, there's a lot of dust on the paper towel. So we had some bypass through the bag. There's a lot of dust everywhere. And looks like all the fine dust went straight through. I took the zip tie off. I want to see what the inside of this bag looks like, or pillowcase looks like. And you can see right here's a lot of dust, and I mean, it did trap some dust. So will this work? Nope. Okay, so experiment's over with, and after the experiment, what I've come up with was, did it work? Not like I thought it would. Tried to tell you, you big dummy, it wasn't going to work. You always want to try these harebrained ideas, and nothing ever works you ever think about, so why do you even try it for? Jeez, should have known better than that bag. That pillowcase gonna work for a vacuum cleaner bag? My goodness, are you dumb or something? Thanks for watching this show. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Bye.